Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import and organize your files in Adobe After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first we will begin with importing your files inside Adobe After Effects. So there are multiple ways to import your files in Adobe After Effects, but I'm gonna show you the easiest one and the one that I use, which is the double click on the project panel right here. So if I double click on it, it will bring the import file panel. So there are multiple ways, like you can just go to file and import, which is right here, and you can choose file. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to create a folder for your project. So I have created a folder for the project, and I had the name on each folder, and each folder has specific things in it. So like docs, it means the documents of the project, which is shapes, video, audio, and that is the one that we want to import. So I'm gonna import all these files, so I highlighted them, and then I'm gonna click import right here, and now we have our files imported in Adobe After Effects. Now I'm going to show you how to organize your files. So you can see here a file shape, and we want to click on it to create a file. So I'm gonna click on it, and as you guys can see, it's created a folder. So I'm going to name it shapes, and I will put every shape in it. And I'm gonna create another folder and name it audio, so I can put my audio in it. And I want another one for background. Guys, you want to create a folder for each types of files, so when you come back and edit your project, you will have no problem looking for the files. So in that way, your project will be organized and you can go back and edit whenever you like. So I'm gonna put the audio by clicking and dragging to the file. So I have here an arrow that will show me the audio files that I imported in the file. And I want to bring the background video and put it right here in the background file. And I want to put the shapes in the folder, so the circle and the rectangle. And now you can import the files into your composition and it will be organized. So guys, that is pretty much how you can import and organize your files in Adobe After Effects. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would be grateful if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.